Welcome back to our next video. Today we're going to read Bariu I Vogël dhe Skënderbeu. Okay, the Little Shepherd and Skenderbeu. This one is a refrain. Refrain comes from the verb refei, which means to confess. So it's not technically a confession, but it's like a telling. It's a telling or a story that has gone from mouth to mouth throughout generations. So it is a story or a narration or a telling. Alright, first, as always, I will read it only in Albanian. This one is a little shorter, so we're going to then read each sentence and translate it to English, and then we're going to go through the exercises. So let's get right into it. Bariu I Vogël dhe Skënderbeu. Kruja kishte ditë që ishte rrethuar. Skenderbeu po vështronte nga mali. Në këtë kohë, rojat I sollën një djalë të vogël. E gjetëm këtu afër, po vinte te ne, I tha një nga rojat. Skenderbeu e pa me vëmendje. Djali mund të ishte 12 vjeç. Si munde të vish gjerë këtu? E pyeti Skenderbeu. Turqit na dogjen fshatin dhe na morën gjithë bagtin, tha djali. Skenderbeu I përkëdheli flokët. Si të quajnë? I tha. Tanush, ju përgjigj djali. Mirë, Tanush I vogël, tani shko të çlodhesh. Po unë dua të luftoj kundër turqëve, tha Tanushi. Çlodhu, se edhe ti do të kesh rast të luftosh, I tha Skenderbeu. Tanushi përshëndeti dhe u largua I gëzuar. Now let's read it sentence by sentence and translate it. So again, it is Bariu I Vogël dhe Skënderbeu, the little shepherd and Skenderbeu. Kruja kishte ditë që ishte rrethuar. Kruja, the city of Kruj, had days that was surrounded, literally, or in English, Kruja was surrounded since several days. Skenderbeu po vështronte nga mali. Skenderbeu was looking from the mountain. Në këtë kohë, rojat I sollën një djalë të vogël. At this time, the guards brought to him a little boy. E gjetëm këtu afër, po vinte te ne. We found him here nearby. He was coming to us. I tha një nga rojat. Told him one of the guards told him. Skenderbeu e pa me vëmendje. Skenderbeu saw him with attention, literally, or he paid attention to him, or looked closely at him. Djali mund të ishte 12 vjeç. The boy could be 12 years old. Si munde të vish gjerë këtu? E pyeti Skenderbeu. How were you able to come until here? Asked Skenderbeu, or asked him, because of atë e. Him, he asked. Turqit na dogjen fshatin dhe na morën gjithë bagtin, tha djali. The Turks burned our village and took all of our cattle, said the boy. Skenderbeu I përkëdheli flokët. Skenderbeu stroked his hair, or like patted, stroke, I think it's the word, his hair. Si të quajnë, I tha. How do they call you, literally, or what is your name? He told him. Tanush, ju përgjigj djali. Tanush, answered the boy to him. The boy answered to him. Mirë, Tanush I vogël. Tani shko të çlodhesh. All right, little Tanush, now go to relax or go to rest. Lodhem is the verb to get tired. Çlodhem is the verb to get rest or untired. Po unë dua të luftoj kundër turqve, tha Tanushi. But I want to fight against the Turks, said Tanushi. Çlodhu, se edhe ti do të kesh rast të luftosh. Get some rest, because you also will have the occasion or the chance to fight. I tha Skenderbeu, Skenderbeg told him. Tanushi përshëndeti dhe u largua I gëzuar. Tanushi greeted the people present and he left rejoiced or happy or glad. All right, now let's go down to some exercises. Exercise number 1 is for you down in the comments. Ritrego bukur pjesën duke u mbështetur tek fjalët kyçe. Retell beautifully the part, this text, by supporting yourself on the main words, okay? You have to use these main words. Kruja e rrethuar, the surrounded kruja. Skenderbeu, Skenderbeg. Tanushi, the little shepherd. And armik, which is enemy, armik. All right, this is your homework. Also, exercise number 2, përshkruaj Tanushin sipas përfytyrimit tënd. Describe Tanush according to your own imagination. So you can, Tanushi is a little shepherd. He's only 12 years old. He looks courageous because he wants to fight. He has suffered a lot because his village was burned. Things like that, whatever you might imagine. And number 3, Skenderbeu në këtë pjesë shfaqet I rrept, bujar, apo I ashpër. Skenderbeg in this part is shown as I rrept, strict, I rrept, bujar, generous, bujar, or I ashpër, harsh, a harsh person, I ashpër. So was he strict? Was he generous? Or was he harsh with little Tanush? And number 4, Tanushi në këtë pjesë shfaqet frikacak, trim, apo guximtar. Tanushi in this part is shown as a coward, a valiant man, or a brave man. Brave, valiant, bold. Trim and guximtar are sort of synonyms here. Frikacak, coward, trim, valiant, guximtar, bold or brave. And lastly, si vazhdon pjesa sipas teje. How does this part continue according to you? You can answer by just imagining if war will break, for example, if little Tanush will come back to fight, or if Skenderbeg will remember him. Maybe he will call on him. Maybe his courage inspired Skenderbeg to think of a certain strategy where the little shepherd Tanush could be useful. I don't know. Movie stuff. You can think about it. As long as you can get some practice with thinking in Albanian, interacting with an Albanian text, and writing in Albanian, this will help your brain to get much more familiar with the language and think of the right word when you need to speak. So make sure to go through these exercises after listening to the text a couple times, 3 times, and you understand it well. And I will see you in our next videos.